Good morning. This is Mark Sebastian coming to you live from Chicago, Illinois, your home for derivative trading. I am the founder of Option Pit, and welcome aboard. Event. Reminder, the price of this event goes up on Saturday. So get yourself signed up for the directional trading event. It's going to be a good time. If you're an Option Pit subscriber, this is going to be free for you, so you have that going for you, which is nice. And there you have it. So let's talk about the market. Well, we got the Dow up big relative to the rest of the indexes. That means one of its components is up big. I'm not sure who. My guess is like ExxonMobil or one of those ones. So the Dow's up pretty big, but what's interesting is the VIX is down, but the VIX futures are actually up today. So despite the VIX now being below 15, the VIX futures have widened the gap. All right, VIX futures going into the Halloween weekend are 1630. It's a nice premium relative to the cash. Now, maybe there's a little weekend effect that could have some effect on what's going on, but I think there continues to be fear about earnings, some fear about some other things, I'm a little surprised. Now, as the VIX really does collapse, I think the NOV futures are likely to fall, as will December. So if you really do think that we're going to keep going higher all day, which I tend to, all right, with the market flat and the Dow up 100, I think generally we'll probably see S&Ps pull higher. All right, generally, which will drive VIX lower, which means I think NOV will probably, I think you could see a 14.5 VIX with NOV getting near maybe that 16 level sometime soon. All right, those are kind of the levels I'm watching. VXST is now trading under VIX. That's usually a sign that things are starting to calm down, although, like I said, I don't think you can expect an 11 or a 12 VIX anymore. Just isn't in the cards. Some interesting earnings coming out tonight. We've got GoPro aftermarket, and not Tesla. So we got GoPro aftermarket. That's going to be one a lot of people are watching, and LinkedIn aftermarket. So those are going to be two pretty well-liked stocks that are reporting after the bell. So keep an eye on those. Those could definitely drive some things. Take a look at rates. For all of the Fed discussion on taper and all of that stuff, take a look at a tick chart over the last 2 days. Does that look like a market where they think rates are going lower or higher? Yeah, pretty funny. So I think that the market is thinking rates are going to be low for some period of time. And I'm not one to argue with the market, which I think is generally pretty bullish for stocks. The S&P is healthily at 1980 for the day. Like I said, I think you'll see a slow drift higher with the VIX coming in more. We're not seeing that right now, but with the VIX coming in more. And don't be surprised if the November future does threaten, somewhere near 16. All right. If you've got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me, 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day, everybody.